Hey everyone! Today we are exploring Wellington's one of most iconic attractions, the Wellington Cable Car. This bright red funicular has been running for over 120 years. If you are planning a trip to Wellington, this is an absolute must-do. Let's hop on. We start right in the city centre at Lambton Quay. Look for Cable Car Lane. It's tucked away in a little arcade. A return ticket is super affordable and cars run every 10 minutes. This takes you from the heart of the city up to breathtaking views in just 5 minutes. We will ride it up, check out the stunning Kelburn lookout, and dive into the free cable car museum at the top. As we pull away, you immediately feel the steep climb. This thing rises 120 meters over just 612 meters of track. Passing through residential areas with those classic Wellington hillside houses.
It goes through 3 tunnels and over 3 viaducts. Do you know how this funicular works? 2 counterbalance cars are permanently attached to the opposite sides of the same hull cable. As one car descends, its weight pulls the other car up. Because the cars balance each other, the motor only needs to provide enough power to overcome friction and the difference in weight between the passengers in each car.
And check this out. The tunnels have amazing LED light displays that change for events. It's like a mini light show on your commute.
It operates on a single track for most of the route, but features a passing loop or apt switch in the middle at Talavera station, where the track splits briefly to allow the ascending and descending cars to pass each other.
This ride is smooth and quick, less than 5 minutes. But the views get better and better. You glimpse the city's skyline, the harbour, and even further on clear days. Arriving at Kelburn Terminal. Wow! Step out and head straight to the lookout platform. This is hands down one of the best panoramic views in Wellington. The entire city, harbour, and hills spread out below you. Perfect spot for photos. From here, you can grab a coffee at the Cable Top Eatery with those same epic views. Wander into the Wellington Botanic Garden or catch the free shuttle to Zealandia Eco Sanctuary. Right next to the terminal is the Cable Car Museum, and entry is completely free. It is housed in the original winding house from 1902, where the massive machinery used to haul the cars up the hill. As you enter the museum, there's one of the classic red cable cars used from the 1950s to 1970s, nicknamed the Relentless Red Rattler for the distinctive rattling noise it made as it climbed the hill. You can even sit inside one. There's a short film on the history. Built in 1902 to connect the city to growing suburbs like Kelburn. It was originally steam powered, then electric. It survived competitions from buses and is still a daily commuter for locals and students. Cool displays, photos, and even a Lego model of the whole route. Downstairs, you can check out the restored grip cars. Grip car number 3 from the early 1900s, painted in vintage green. It is uniquely designed. It features the gripman's cabin where the main controls and the brakes are right in the middle. Beyond this, we enter the winding machine room. You will see the old electric winding gear still in place. It's huge and fascinating if you are into engineering. This was once the nerve system of the entire system. Pro tips: go early to avoid cruise ship crowds and check the weather for the best views. Dogs are allowed too.
We're now approaching Talavera station, and the passing where the track splits into two. The cars have sets of double flanged and flat wheels.
If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more New Zealand adventures and comment below. Have you ridden the Wellington cable car? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.